about the idea that this stuff, like that stuff's really easy to do at home, and
Mm,
encouraging people to just go buy their own headset, especially look, if Quest hits the numbers that even close to the numbers that everybody's projecting for it, we might finally see some traction on the consumer market with this stuff. And how do you feel about the competition of the consumer market for some of that, stuff that you could do at home?
well, look, like, I think a lot of it comes down to curation. There's a lot of narrative experiences out there. There's a lot of 360 experiences out there, thousands on YouTube alone. So, providing a selection of experiences that are celebrated or awarded, I think is a really useful tool for introducing people to the medium. I also think increasingly we're moving more towards building installations around experiences. So giving context as to why the headset exists in the space. For ayahuasca, for example, we're building kind of a ceremonial shrine. For where thoughts go, we built a blanket fort, which is supposed to remind you of childhood
Awesome.
and, evoke some sort of vulnerability from people. And additionally, we're starting to experiment with kind of cinematic showings of VR. So social experiences, basically, where you all go into the headset together, you watch a film at the same time, and that moment when you all take off the headset and look at each other and say, "Wow, that was crazy,"
And then have
is
a conversation. And then do you facilitate a conversation around it also, or?
absolutely, yeah. And I think increasingly we're going to try to do more of that, invite creators into